Alright guys, so moving over to box number 2 of the Flyin Miata turbo kit. So it looks like this box is mainly the intercooler piping. So yeah, this is everything that was in box number 2. So you got some vacuum lines, some hose clamps, and yeah, all the intercooler piping. You've got an envelope here with the instructions, a packing list. You've got the exhaust manifold gasket. This looks like it is a genuine parts by Mazda, made in Japan. Excellent. And you got the air filter. Okay, so it's it looks like a K&N filter, but it's not stamped K&N anywhere. So I don't know. I would have preferred if this was a K&N filter. Obviously, K&N does R&D testing on their products, so a little disappointed that's not, a K&N manufactured air filter. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty biased towards having, good quality parts. So down the road, I think I'll replace this. I have a K&N air filter in my car now, so maybe I'll replace it with that one. So Flyin Miata, you guys should include a K&N air filter. If I'm wrong, let me know. If anyone else knows, post it in the comments. It looks like a K&N, but it's not stamped K&N anywhere. So that's box number 2. Let's move on to box number 3.